Baby girl, what's the move? You was looking beautiful, yeah. I was trying to get to you. I was trying to get to you, yeah.
Well,
hello, welcome to our channel.
we are changing these bulbs up. He's looking at a porno.
Boy, if you don't get...
Bro.
Yeah.
So what you doing, man?
You recording now?
Yeah.
Changing, putting these to LEDs, bro. I'm gonna do the front ones tomorrow.
Yeah, he got these in the front. Right here, like you said, the regular standard, you know, halogen bulbs. And he about to show y'all in a minute. I mean, this is what they look like though, down here. He's gonna put these in the rear. But that's what they look like. And then these were the old standard ones that he had in. You can see the difference. Look at that.
What the fuck is that? What's his name?
Shit,
Who made the light, first light?
Thomas Edison?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's some Thomas Edison shit right there. That little string.
Dog.
It's gonna look weird though, cause it's gonna be LED back here. It's gonna be LED back here, and then what?
I don't know.
Fucking...
Yeah, you got this man Knuckles in the way and stuff.
We might have to. Hold on, I'm gonna turn it this way. Okay.
Yeah, he just basically putting this on for his rear light, LED joints. And then, you know, I got my car way over here and stuff. So.
Oh, y'all want to hear a radio upgrade?
Oh, wait, I don't think they knew about that. Yeah, they know what your car sound like now, but.
No, they don't.
Yeah, I put it on YouTube.
Oh, that video.
Yeah, that's why I said we gotta do another one. Like,
you ready for this?
Yeah, let's see. All right, he about to put this cover on.
See if it works.
All right, push that in, all the stuff clamped in. Bye-yow!
Oh, them look good.
Look at that. Oh, man, that look amazing. Woo!
Oh, them look good.
Them bright.
Jeez.
Them bright as hell. Boom. There you go. There you go.
I think I got this loose too.
That's dope. Boom. Boom. There's a little, you know, they made these cars out of pieces of shit anyway.
Oh, bro.
What?
You gotta fix this.
Oh, it should be.
You know how to take it off?
Hey, it should be easier to take it off though.
Break it.
Oh, man, sound like he about to break into somebody's door, man.
Get that card again.
Get that card. Hey, man, hold on. I'm gonna have to blur out some shit so I don't see this on the list.
I'm sick.
Let me see. All right, let me use this old ass reward card that my mom don't use.
A few moments later.
There you go.
We're gonna break this one. This is right here what we need to fix. It didn't even go back on right. You think we should put it back on like this? Huh? Because it was like hanging down and shit.
It's probably. I don't know. You can't tighten it or anything. Bro, this gonna be a process.
Please go back on right. No, of course it isn't.
It's still loose a little bit. It's probably because it's jumping around in there. Man, these motherfuckers over here, bro. We at McDonald's right now, so don't pay this no mind. Y'all probably seen it when I did this. Oh no, y'all ain't see it. All right, so hold on, bro. About to close the door real quick.
It worked.
It worked.
It's just loose.
It's just loose.
Yeah. So I have to shove it this way.
You don't know the wire.
This way. Yeah, stupid. Duh.
The wire gonna come off.
Wire.
So now you got that changed, and he's about to do these later on. And
that's half of the video.
That's half of this shit.
That's half the video.
Half the visuals. But yeah,
Oh, I like the way they turn off.
Yeah, that's cold. All right, man, let me get out this back seat though. All right, bro. All right. Nah, I can't wait till I get the rest of my car wrapped though. This purple is gonna be the whole thing. Only thing that's gonna be different is my mirrors. They're gonna be carbon fiber, and then top of my roof is gonna be carbon fiber. This junk gonna be lit, bro. What up?
That's a bad thing, by the way. This is gonna be 5%.
Yeah, bro. You can't have people looking in. Who that creeping in my window?
Who's that creeping on my sunroof?
I don't know. But all right, bro. We about to head out and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We went to McDonald's to get us something to eat real quick. Feel me? But yeah, if you want to see more of him doing some funny shit, we can. I can hit him up. Bro, nah, you funny, bro. You funny. You funny. I don't know. Oh man. But yeah, we about to head out and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned, bro. We about to be dropping some more bangers, dog. You feel me? Yeah.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had to watch so I two-tone it. Taking these drugs, I'm